So this is April's Glossy box. I got the fruit edition, so there's fruit or floral. So just inside, come packaged like this. Just undo that. So this is the little insert that tells you what you have. And there's our sneak peek for May's box. So you can get the contour palette or the highlighting palette. I'm hoping the highlighting palette. So lovely tissue paper. Just undo this like so. So this was our sneak peek for April's box. So I'll just go to the insert and have a quick look at what that one is. So this is Superfood Regenerating Sleep Mask. This is a deluxe mini for £14, and the full size, which is 50ml, is £19. A decent size. I'll just put that out the way for a moment. And the next thing we have is the Dr. Paw Paw Hot Pink Balm for lips, cheeks and cosmetic. Hot with a hint of a tint. Fragrance free. This is full size for £6.95. Here we have got a perfume. You're One in a Melon. Just spray that. Oh, that smells really nice. This is full size. Sorry, just trying to put the lid on. Oh, very fruity. So this is full size, and this is £20.99. And then just here we have hair vitamins, vegan friendly food supplement, blue raspberry flavour, 1 week trial, little stars. So this for a week's trial is a £5, and for a month it is £20. They also do 3 and 6 months supplies available, so that's not bad. So it's just meant to help with hair growth and make your hair look healthier. And you swallow 2 of these a day. So it's not bad. Travel size, this one is. And then we have this water infused apple and melon shower gel. Let's just open that up and have a smell. Oh, that smells really nice. You can smell apple in that more than anything else. This is full size, and this is £2.30. And then this is our little added extra for this month, which is a hair mask. This is a deluxe mini for £2, or the full size would be £3. So the full size is 60 grams, and this one is 30 grams. So there, with Glossy box you get 5 products. They'll either be full size, sample size, for £13.25. That's £10 for the box, and £3.25 for shipping. So there's sometimes you get a little added treat. Normally it's a bit of chocolate, but this time we have got a hair mask. So that is everything in April's box, and there's the insert. Let's just do that so you can have a read of it. And there you go. And there's our sneak peek into next month's Glossy box. Thanks for watching.